I recently had the pleasure of speaking with Neil deGrasse Tyson about gravitational waves. Here's a very simple explanation of what they are. Imagine a flat, stretchy sheet representing space-time. Now, place a couple of massive objects like stars on the sheet. The objects will create a dip in the sheet, and that dip is what we call a gravitational field. If you take one of those stars and move it around, you'll change the shape of the gravitational field. The area under the curve of the field lines represents the gravitational potential energy between the two stars. So the more you move the star, the more you change the shape of the field and the more energy is transferred between the two. And when that happens, ripples go out from the disturbance like the ones you see here. These ripples are gravitational waves. So just as light is an electromagnetic wave, gravitational waves are a mechanical wave, a little understood phenomenon predicted by Einstein over 100 years ago. They were first detected in 2015 by the LIGO collaboration. They confirmed what we long suspected, that spacetime is a dynamic entity, not just a passive background. These waves carry information about the objects that created them. By studying them, we can learn about things we would otherwise be unable to observe. For example, neutron-star mergers, which are among the most violent events in the universe, create gravitational waves that carry an imprint of the star's spins. That information could help us understand how these objects form and how matter behaves under extreme conditions. And while we currently have no evidence for this, some scientists speculate that gravitational waves may play a role in the early universe, perhaps even in galaxy formation. Studying them could shed light on some of the biggest mysteries in physics and cosmology. As always, there's much more to know. I encourage you to check out the video linked below for a deeper dive into this fascinating topic. So what do you think? Does this make sense? Leave a comment below. We may feature your feedback in a future episode. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends. It really helps us out. This channel is supported by a community of people who are passionate about making science and tech stories. You can join them by going to our support page. Until next time, I'm the host,